Hey everyone, Anthony from DataCrunch here, bringing you another computer tip of the day. Do you guys have a slow computer, or do you have a computer that just isn't operating the way it used to when you first got it? Computers, as you use them, as you download stuff, as you surf the web, they tend to slow down. What most people don't know is every website you're visiting, every document, every video, every song you're downloading, it stays on the computer. So unless you remove that stuff, it's going to really slow down your computer. Here at DataCrunch, what we recommend is a program called CCleaner. It's a really good piece of software. I've been using it for, I'd say, about 10 years, about the same as Malwarebytes, the anti-malware program we talked about the other day. Now, CCleaner is great. You just go to CCleaner free, search that on Google, download it. Once you open it up, there's going to be two buttons on the bottom right-hand corner. One that says Analyze. You click Analyze, and it's going to tell you how much space it's going to be able to clean out. Now, if you've had a computer for over a year that you've never cleaned out, you're going to be amazed at how much junk just sits on that computer. After you click Analyze, then the other button will actually highlight, and the other button is just Run Cleaner. Click Run Cleaner, and it'll clean out your computer. What that does is it deletes all of the temporary files on your computer. The temporary files get saved there when you're web browsing. When you're browsing on the web, it downloads any of like the pictures or videos that are on that website. And what that does is it actually makes the website open faster the next time you go to it, because it doesn't have to re-download all those temporary files. But it slows down your computer in the process. So definitely run that to clean the temp files. It cleans out your recycling bin for you, so anytime you delete a file, it doesn't go off your computer. It just goes to the recycling bin, taking up pretty much the same amount of space that it was. So you have to remember to clean out the recycling bin, or just run CCleaner, and it'll do it for you. What CCleaner also deletes is all the cookies or internet search history. If you wanted to, you could turn that option off, so that way next time you go into your browser, you'll still have all your search history. But it cleans out a lot of space off your computer. You'll be amazed. I mean, I've fixed computers that I've saved 5 gigs, 10 gigs, 20 gigs off of their computer just by running CCleaner. And it's a totally free application. I think there's a paid version, but honestly, I've never even looked at it. There's no reason to. It does everything for you. I think the paid version, all it does is it actively, in real time, monitors your computer and deletes out and cleans your computer so you don't have to run it. But it's 2 buttons. You click Analyze, wait for it to finish. Then you click Run, wait for it to finish. And between CCleaner, Malwarebytes, and the Avast that we spoke about the other day, you run all 3 of those scans, your computer will be in tip-top shape. All right, another tip of the day brought to you by Anthony from DataCrunch. Have a good one.